Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer call history from your old Android phone to your new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE using the Smart Switch application. This method works for any smartphone when we talk about transferring data to your Samsung device, to any Samsung device, if your phone supports the Smart Switch application. So first let's go to Play Store on the both devices and look for this application, Samsung Smart Switch. Make sure that you install exactly Samsung Smart Switch, not the sponsored app, not any other application. Just install Samsung Smart Switch on the both devices. Then open application on your old phone, tap more or continue. Just always tap blue button and you will be fine. Continue, and now we need to allow everything to this application, otherwise it will not work. So allow access to calendar, phone logs, contacts, to everything. Allow one more time, and more permissions. It needs even more permissions. So if you see the prompt with settings to the right, tap this settings and permit usage, data usage access. And one more permission we need to give is permission to access all files. One more permission to something, I don't know, but this application is completely safe, so don't be afraid to give all permission to this application. So we are all set on this phone. Let's open the application on our Samsung phone. Continue, allow everything. It's much more faster on Samsung because this is application from Samsung on the Samsung smartphone. So now on this phone we need to receive data, and on this phone we need to choose wireless, and here select a source. So since our source is an Android device, so we have to tap Galaxy or Android, and here choose wireless as well. Now you see that Samsung has detected your old smartphone. My smartphone name is Jim S20 FE, and on your old smartphone you need to tap on accept. Need some time to connection, be patient please. Okay, now you can choose between different options. You can transfer everything you have on your old phone. You can transfer just accounts, calls, contacts and messages, or what we need now is to choose the customization. Tap next and swipe up to see more. Okay, let's see more. We need for now we need just only calls and contacts. So select calls and contacts, scroll down all the way down to the bottom until you see this transfer button. Tap on this button and just wait for a while. Now we can go to home screen and go to our recents. A lot of contacts from my old phone just have been transferred to Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel.